Right, so it's 31st of December, last day of the year. I'm gonna start my day with a good cardio session and just spend the day by myself. A couple of places that I'll try to go. Yeah, that's it. Let's start.
Just got done with cardio. I just wanted to share something with y'all. I personally feel that an Indian tic sock can only help when you need the most. When you need that push, like it's the last rep, or it's like the last 10 minutes of your run. I think something like Uwan Tawa can only do do something good than maybe Shape of You. So this is what I feel. It's subjective again. So maybe for some people English songs work, but I feel Indian songs have that little extra edge when it comes to working out. Right. So let's leave.
Stream and never miss a minute.
More hit music next. Treat your day to a fresh start and enjoy the delicious pairing of a medium McCafe premium roast coffee and any freshly baked muffin for $2.79 plus tax. Available every day at participating McDonald's restaurants in Canada. Prices exclude delivery.
Hi, I'm Amin Graywell, president of the BC Nurses.
Weird to hear this from a
more than who we are. You grew up way too fast. Now there's nothing to believe. Reruns all become our history. The planets all keep playing on a tired radio. Come on, won't tell no one your name.
Right, so I'm leaving for White Rock now, and I just hope that it doesn't rain. It's gonna rain, and if it rains, it's just useless going there. So yeah, let's see. Actually, you know what? I'll just वापस घूम के नहीं देंगे यहाँ से.
I will build my life upon. And I will build my life
1065, it's Marv with you. I like this sign. It says, we have the right to remain silent, but few have the ability.
There's torn up pages in this book, words that tell me I'm no good, chapters that define me for so long. But the hands of grace and endless love dusted off and picked me up, told my heart that hope is never gone. God is in this story, God is in the details, even in the broken parts. He holds my heart, He never fails. When I'm at my weakest, I will trust in Jesus, always in the highs and lows, the one who goes before me.
It was the opposite of the dream house. No, I don't
Alright, so I've reached White Rock and this is how it looks. Ooh. The main point तक जाने का मन तो करे, but it's too crowded I feel. Not too crowded, but I'm just planning to sit here for some while. I don't want to go there. Just यहाँ पे I'll just sit and stay calm. Alright, so I'm back and now I've just switched the camera to the opposite side and I'm just gonna record the neighborhood and it's really beautiful. Let's go.
Ways to stay positive? Fill your mind with music about hope. Praise 106.5.
it's Brant and Sherry. It's like that scene in Hook where kids are feasting on fake icing, but this is real icing.
Yeah, so that makes no sense.
It did in my head before.
Week is back. Now's your chance to save big on select.
Dad, I like the ice.
I got nothing. How could I express all my gratitude? All that I have is a but I've nothing else fit for a king. Except for a heart singing oh, come on, my soul. Oh, don't you get shy on me. Lift up your song. 'Cause you've got a lion inside your songs. You depend and praise the Lord. Come on, my soul. Oh, don't you get shy on me. Lift up your song. 'Cause you've got a lion inside your songs. You depend and praise the Lord. And praise you again and again. So all that I have is a hallelujah.
Alright, so I've come to downtown and just sitting at home, and I just figured out that you know what, it's just an hour left for 2023, so why not just try to do something different. So maybe if I'm located at a place, maybe I can see the fireworks, maybe we're not for sure, so we never know. Let's see, I'll show you the place. So this is the place, this is where I am, and maybe you'll see the fireworks from here, and if not, I'll just cut the video, so it's okay. It's like 10 minutes remaining for 2023, and I'm gonna go stand there by the river and witness it. Let's see if it's worth it or if it's not. See, if nothing happens, I'll just keep these videos and I'll just end it at that. Right, so a minute to go, and I've come outside. Happy New Year, guys. I don't think there's any fireworks here. So yeah. Oh yeah, actually there is. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year, guys. So yeah, there it is. I mean, it's not that visible, but I think I'm in the wrong place, but that's okay. Right, so I've reached at the prospect point, and this is how it looks. Happy New Year, guys. I know it's too dark here. I don't think y'all can see me, but yep.
IVR's destination for
Nobody's coming to you. Your body is my first love. Just wants to love you.